This room is echoey as fuck. So I came up with a few great ideas to make your life more interesting. BDS Man. If you haven't seen the movie, I recommend you watch it. Yeah, okay. Start writing a diary. Try to learn a new trick or skill. It will come handy picking up girls. Okay, so today we're gonna learn that I don't need any special tricks to impress girls. I just need this. I bet almost every one of you loves watching videos, yeah? I don't know if you like watching this video, but like overall, yeah, you probably like watching videos. And also I think you love making them. Okay, here's the reason why you should start making videos. Okay, first of all, you will see how you are on camera and possibly how other people see you in real life. Number 2, you can improve yourself. Number 3, if you constantly make videos, it will improve your communication skills in real life. That is a hard sentence for me. Okay, number 4, if you've always wanted to make videos, now you're following your dream. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, hit the like button. If not, comment below and please subscribe. And see ya. Great thing, I didn't tell them that I buy my women.